This is the Rabing RC Beast Drone. The Beast Drone is actually a really fun drone just to kind of get into flying drones. And while it's not on the same level as expensive brands like DJI, the Beast Drone works much better than other toy drones that you'll see in a similar price range to this drone. This drone has GPS, which means that it's going to be very stable when it flies, and you don't have to worry as much about losing the drone because it does have a return to home function. What I really like about this drone is that it comes with its own carrying case, and it's actually very compact. The blades and the blade arms all fold into the drone. It makes the overall size very small, and it makes it so you don't have to set up anything before you fly the drone. You just take the arms out and you're ready to go. The remote control for this drone allows you to easily mount your smartphone, and the battery pack is removable, and it's really easy to charge with just a normal USB cable, so you don't have to worry about losing a charging cable because you have plenty of USB cables lying around the house. So flying this drone is super simple and super stable. Because this has GPS, I think this is actually a really good drone for maybe a child or a beginner, because you don't really have to worry about them flying the drone off somewhere where it will never come back. This drone also comes with a smartphone app. It allows you to record video and do pictures from the drone, and you can actually fly the drone using the app, or you can set up the drone to fly with gestures. So the camera on this drone, again, it's not really what you would be expecting for like a pro grade drone like DJI, but it is still much better quality than toy drones that you would get for around the same price. So here's some footage of me flying this drone in my backyard. You can see that even though the camera doesn't have a gimbal, the footage is still fairly smooth because the drone has GPS. And while the quality is not amazing, it is actually pretty good, and it's a lot of fun for shooting video from an aerial perspective. I really like this drone because with the GPS, I feel comfortable flying it in a slightly more compact area. I feel like I'm always in control, and I really like having the camera to record all of the unique shots that you can get from up in the sky. I've got a link posted below if you want to check out this drone for yourself. Thanks.